Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Olympiad question. So let's start. What is the question here? In a science test, Ram scored thrice as many marks as Amit. If Ravi had 10 more marks, he would have scored the same marks as Ram. The total marks of 3 boys scored were 214. How many marks did Ravi and Amit score altogether? First, read the question carefully and understand it. What they given, what we have to find it. There are 3 boys and they written science test and they got some marks. We have to find the individual marks and we have to find the how many marks did Ravi and Amit score altogether. They given the question Ram scored thrice as many marks as Amit. So let's Amit marks be x. Then Ram's marks equals to 3x. Ravi had 10 more marks. He would have scored the same marks as Ram. So Ravi's marks equals to 3x minus 10. They given total marks equals to 214. X plus 3x plus 3x minus 10 equals to 214. 3x plus 3x plus x equals to 7x minus 10 equals to 214. 7x equals to 214 plus 10. 7x equals to 214 plus 10 equals to 224. X equals to 224 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 32 is 224. So x equals to 32. Ram's marks we assumed that 3x. We know the x value. X equals to 32. Substitute in the 32 in x place. 3 multiplied by 32 equals to 96. Amit's marks equals to 32 because x equals to 32. Ravi's marks equals to, we know that 3x minus 10. We know the x value. Substitute in x place. 3 multiplied by 32 minus 10. 3 32 is 96 minus 10 equals to 86. In the question they ask how many marks did Ravi and Amit score together. So Ravi and Amit total marks equals to, we know the Ravi's marks as 86 and Amit marks as 32. 86 plus 32 equals to 118. Now we got the answer. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt in this explanation, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this math problem. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.